Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I came to the scene of the 2026 Shenzhen ITES Industrial Exhibition. In this video, I will take you to Huayan, Fixi, Hans Laser, Beijing Jingdio, Fanuc, Mazik and other well-known exhibitors. Bring you the most intuitive and realistic explanation of the real shot on site. So without further ado, let's get started. The products and technologies Huayan brought this time are very hardcore. All are practical models that fit the actual industrial scene. Follow my camera to see the point. The first is the Elfin high-speed collaborative robot. Star model 50% speed increase across the board, maximum joint speed 370s. Positioning accuracy 0.03 mm, repeated positioning 0.015 mm. Load 335 kg, arm span 9001400 mm. Suitable for 3C assembly, loading and unloading, welding and other scenarios. Can significantly increase the production capacity of the assembly line. Then there are two S-series large load collaborative robots, S50 and S60. Load up to 60 kilograms, arm span up to 2.2 meters. Mainly palletizing, heavy loading and unloading and automotive assembly. The palletizing beat is fast, it can run stably for 24 hours, and the cost performance is very high. The most noteworthy is this ITES, the first four-armed intelligent machine. Four-arm collaboration plus fuselage lift, integrated AI vision and large models. Accurate force control, capable of disorderly grasping, assembly and machine tool management. It is the core breakthrough of Huayan. Yamazaki Mazik brought a number of blockbuster devices to ITES this year. All hardcore models suitable for industrial precision machining. Focus on the Kirk's 50 Mizzi L double spindle lathe. Double spindle and double turret design, capable of machining to shaft workpieces simultaneously. Balanced cutting reduces interference. Space-saving layout also adapts to a variety of automation accessories. One device can complete the whole process. Efficient and worry-free, especially suitable for mass production of shaft parts. And Integrax i350HS Composite Machining Center expanded the processing range. Equipped with new generation Mazitrol Smooth AI numerical control system. A wealth of automation options. Capable of handling difficult to cut materials and complex machining scenarios. Adapt to multi-industry needs. In addition, there is a VCN460L vertical machining center. Spindle power upgrade, standard 30 tools. Can be adapted to 40 knives. High rigidity structure, enabling high precision heavy cutting of medium and large workpieces, covering automobiles, molds, and other fields. Now we are at the booth of Makino Machine Tool. The first is the DA5005 Axis Vertical Machining Center. The core is micron level machining accuracy, and it can significantly reduce the non-cutting time. The capacity is directly full, whether it is semiconductor, aerospace, these high-end manufacturing fields. It is still conventional precision machining, and it can be easily held. It can also be customized according to needs. In addition, focus on this JH5 Horizontal Machining Center. It is also the first model to make a public appearance at this ITES exhibition. Next, let's take a look at Fixi technology. This time they brought all smart devices adapted to industrial scenarios. Briefly introduce the core highlights to you. The first is the N-Light robot. It is also a key exhibit of this exhibition, and the whole body is equipped with skin-level force sensing. High sensitivity, flexible operation in small spaces. Adapt to a variety of complex industrial scenarios. There is also the Miko humanoid intelligence platform. Mainly double-arm collaboration, can complete complex operations such as precision assembly and tightening. The modular design is also very flexible, and the threshold for getting started is not high. There are also enhanced gecko claws. Flexible switching, whether it is heavy industrial parts. It can be easily grabbed for fragile goods. There are also mature landing application solutions. Hexagon brings to this exhibition optic nanoscale morphology detection equipment. First model, integrated anti-vibration platform plus interference optical module. Supports multiple measurement modes to quantify surface roughness at the nanoscale. Non-contact, non-destructive measurement, suitable for high-end fields such as semiconductors. Open up the MES system to realize the digitization of quality control. OptiVS composite image measuring machine. dual Z-axis architecture, granite base plus temperature compensation, sub-micron accuracy, efficiency increased by 30% plus. Equipped with AI defect detection platform, suitable for multi-industry unmanned production integration. Leads reference ultra-high precision measuring machine. Granite base plus dovetail guide rail, consistent accuracy in all sections. Support multi-sensor switching. Can handle ultra-high precision inspections such as aero engine blades. No dedicated measuring room required. Presto M Robot Automatic Detection Unit. With laser tracker and blue light scanning probe, no part pretreatment is required. It can be programmed offline, greatly reducing the detection time. Synchronous display of geomagic software, power 3D data processing and reverse engineering. Danny Kerr's core exhibits and technologies at this exhibition. Flexible vibration plate, voice coil motor drive, micron vibration, suitable for 1170 mm special shaped materials. Quick change disc, efficient debugging. TCA tightening tool, torque 0.1-200 Nm, accuracy 7.5%. It can detect poor locking and connect with MES. Self-developed vision system plus SCARA robot, positioning 0.1 mm. Rhythm 1200 times or hour. High precision inspection equipment, processing accuracy 3M, detection accuracy 3M. Suitable for high-end precision machining. Roque's core exhibits and technologies at this exhibition. AR series humanoid force control arm, full joint high precision force sensing and force control. Load 310 kg can be adapted to a variety of embodied carriers. Support the implementation of embodied intelligent industrialization. Senior 5509C full joint force control cooperative welding robot. With intelligent vision, it can automatically extract welds and plan welding paths. Adapt to multi-scene welding. CAR 3535-2, two large load collaborative palletizing robot. Support intelligent stack generation and path planning with flexible breakthrough point. Adapt to 1745 kg palletizing requirements. There are also wheeled dual arm robots, integrating autonomous navigation with visual deep learning. It can complete the whole process of material box handling, power battery assembly, etc. New drive control integrated high-speed SCARA robot, equipped with self-developed control cabinet and optimal planning algorithm. Take into account high speed and high precision, suitable for 3C precision manufacturing. NB101009 industrial robot with 3D vision. Realize disorderly grasping and assembly of high and low voltage charging modules. The core components are autonomous and controllable, covering the automation needs of multiple industries. This year's exhibitors also cover medical care, precision machining, industrial measurement, and other fields. Precision machining field. 8 Precision Machinery exhibits full process precision machining services. Cover precision die casting mold design and processing. Die casting defined surface treatment. Suitable for medical equipment, optical lenses, and other fields. Equipped with more than 600 processing equipment with strong technical strength. Jihui Precision brings complex precision parts processing services, adopting digital MES systems to manage quality, deeply cultivating high-end fields such as aerospace medical apparatus. LAN Precision exhibits X5005 Axis Linkage Machining Center, can process aluminum alloy, titanium alloy, and other high-hardness materials, adapt to aerospace, precision molds, and other ultra-precision machining requirements. Shufang Precision carry numerical control machine, turning and milling machine, new energy vehicles for medical apparatus, etc. The industry provides efficient processing solutions. Automation and other fields. Pacini Sensory Technology showcases the world's first dual-modal model, robot and multi-dimensional haptic dexterous hand DEX H13. Integrated 1140 tactile sensing units. It can complete more than 90% of the core hand movements. Fuji Electric showcases a full range of inverters, low-voltage control appliances for industrial automation. Provide power and control solutions in fields such as new energy. New Generation and Lianda Automation brings CNC numerical control system. Digital factory solutions empower precision manufacturing upgrades. Shengguang Technology showcased a full range of injection molding machines and mold processing equipment. for GE, Siemens, and other international medical equipment. Leading enterprises provide supporting services, covering medical equipment injection molding, electronic assembly, and other scenarios. Medical apparatus assembled a number of core enterprises and supporting service providers. Mindray Medical Joint Supporting Enterprise. Display Micron CNC Machining Center, flexible automated production line, covering the whole process from precision machining of medical equipment to intelligent assembly. Assist in the localization of high-end medical equipment. Siemens Healthcare brings core suppliers, exhibiting high-precision photoelectric detection components, high-stability magnets, and radio frequency systems to solve the pain point of relying on imports for core components of high-end medical equipment. Bayodi Fluid brings professional fluid control products, suitable for medical diagnostic equipment, pharmaceutical processes, and other scenarios. We provide reliable solutions with 80 years of industry experience. Yunchuang Precision Display Medical Equipment Precision Prototype, Precision Sheet Metal and Assembly Services. Suitable for small and medium-sized batches and demanding medical equipment. Deep cooperation with many well-known medical apparatus companies. To summarize, this 2026 Shenzhen ITES exhibition, bringing together a variety of cutting-edge products and hardcore technologies, breakthroughs in high-end manufacturing. There are also innovative adaptations in the fields of medical care, new energy, etc. A comprehensive display of the current industrial field, the development trend and direction of technological innovation. Here, thank you all for watching the whole process. If you are in front of the screen about this exhibition, or other types of exhibitions are in demand, whether you want to learn about the latest products or cutting-edge technologies, you can leave a message in the comment area or contact me by email. I will be doing an exclusive interview with you during the exhibition, give you the most specific and first-hand information. Finally, please like, follow. I will bring you more exhibitions in the future. Technical, trade-related dry goods information. Live up to everyone's support. That's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching and see you next time.